If you want to remove your Gmail account from another device, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it safely and in just a few moments. This is really useful if you signed in on a public computer, borrowed phone, old tablet, or any device you no longer use. Removing your account helps protect your privacy and makes sure nobody else can access your email. And before we get started, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser. You can use Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any browser you have available. Once the browser is open, go to myaccount.google.com/security. This is Google's security page where you can manage devices connected to your account. If you are not already signed in, Google may ask you to log in to your Gmail account first. Go ahead and enter your email and password if prompted. Once you're inside the security settings, scroll down until you see the section called Your Devices. This section shows every device that is currently signed into your Google account. It may include phones, tablets, laptops, or other computers that have access to Gmail and other Google services. Now click Manage All Devices. This will open a full list of all devices connected to your account, so you can choose the one you want to remove. Take a moment to review the list carefully and find the specific device you want to sign out of. It's a good idea to double check the device name, location, and last active time so you don't remove the wrong one. Once you find it, click on that device to open its details. On the device page, you should see a Sign Out option. Click Sign Out to begin removing your Gmail account from that device. Google may ask you to confirm the action, so if a second prompt appears, click Sign Out again to confirm. After that, your Gmail account will be removed from the selected device. This means the device will no longer stay signed in to your Google account, which is especially important if you think someone else may have had access. If you are using a shared or public device, this is one of the fastest ways to protect your inbox and secure your account. Now, if you want to be extra safe, it's also a smart idea to change your password afterward, especially if you no longer trust the device or if it was lost or stolen. That extra step helps make sure no one can sign back in again without your permission. And that's it. You've successfully removed your Gmail account from another device using Google's security settings. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.